Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students of final year. We were discussing the disease management and the topic is the cancer. What we have learned up to the cancer, that cancer is a problematic condition and approximately many of the people are suffering from the cancer. Every year several cases are diagnosed and mostly some cancers are related to the poor nutrition, or there may be certain environmental factors, or there may be physical factors, and there may be hereditary factors. What is the cancer? It is uncontrolled growth of the cells and which spread to the normal cell. There may be a neoplasm, which is the new growth of the tissue that serves with no physiological action. Converted the growth of the tissue in a tumor, which is the clumping of the neoplasmic cells. After this, neoplasmic cells, they are malignant or they may be benign. And biopsy is basically used for the microscopic examination of the cell development. The technique is called as fine needle aspiration, FNAC. FNAC is called as a technique जो कि mostly use होती है biopsy के लिए. FNAC, which is the fine needle aspiration computer topography. ठीक है. Then we have discussed that what is metastasis and what is the mutation, and this mutation will occur on the due to the mutations there will be the disruption of the RNA and DNA sequencing, DNA ordering, DNA structure that produce different types of cell having a different in quality and in their functions as with respect to the normal cells. We have all discussed this. You have to determine the different cancer rates for the Pakistani population. All the things which I have mentioned here is for American population, and this slide indicates the disparity of the cancer rate in the African Americans. Students of the final year should tell me the cancer rates of the Karachi and the Pakistan. We have discussed the factors that contribute to the global cause of the cancer, and these factors are the alcohol use, smoking use, unbalanced diet, certain chronic infections, hormones, pollution and occupation. If we talk about the classification of the cancer, we have carcinomas, sarcomas, lymphomas and leukemias. Hope so कि आपको सबके difference पता हो. So students should take out the differences between all these carcinomas. I will ask in a physical class. आपकी जो physical class होगी उसके अंदर मैं आपसे ये class discussion में पूछूंगी कि what are the classification of cancer and what is the difference between the carcinomas and what are the types of the cancer. Now come to the topic which is the treatment modalities of the cancer. What are the modalities of the management of the cancer? Basically, the main modalities are of three types. That is, we have to use surgery, radiation and the use of the systemic anti-cancer drug. However, if we talk about the research, we have furthermore three modalities which are the development of the cancer fighting vaccines, gene therapy and the stem cell research. These are basically a research projects for the cancer. जिसमें basically we are determining newer drugs to fight with the cancer. These modalities may be used alone or may be used in combination, sequentially or concurrently to treat a specific type of a cancer. हर cancer के type के depend करेगा और it is basically the duty of the subject specialist. It is not the duty of a pharmacist कि वो एक एक चीज़ें जो है वो बिल्कुल उसकी बेसिक चीज़ों पे जाए. द सब्जेक्ट स्पेशलिस्ट जो फार्मेसी का काम है वो ये है कि ही शुड अ ड्रग एक्सपर्ट, और जो एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स पेशेंट फेस करेगा after the use of the chemotherapy, it is the main focus for the pharmacist, not the diagnosis, not the prescribing and not the management of the disease. Management जो कर रहा है वो वहाँ का जो subject specialist है वो कर रहा है. Pharmacist can counsel, can modulate the treatment strategy after discussing it with the मेन डॉक्टर. डायरेक्ट पेशेंट से इसमें कोई चीज़ हाईलाइट नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज जो कैंसरस पेशेंट है वो ऑलरेडी डिप्रेशन कंडीशन में है. सो इट इज़ द ड्यूटी ऑफ फार्मासिस्ट टू रिड्यूस द वर्क बर्डन ऑन द जो भी इसका फिजिशियन है, कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट है, कीमोथेरेपेटिक ड्रग्स जो भी जा रही हैं वो डायरेक्ट काउंसिल करेगा अपने रिपोर्टेड फिजिशियन या हॉस्पिटल के डॉक्टर्स को. Timing is very important for the treatment and decision very important. Surgery is the oldest treatment and it plays a role depending upon the diagnosis. Type 1, for the type 1 or a primary cancer, it can cure the cancer and it basically involves the removal of the primary tumor and the adjacent lymph node. दोनों को निकाल देंगे. However, this modality may also use to remove the isolated metastasis. अगर metastasis जो है वो invade नहीं की गई है, invasive नहीं है, spread नहीं हुई है, तो it can also use for the isolated metastatic tumors. For example, in case of hepatic metastasis or the colon cancer, जिसमें metastasis बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, तो वहाँ पे जो है ये surgery can work. Usually it is followed by the radiation therapy so that the localized cancer cells are radiate out because of the changing in the mutated cells. उसकी जो cells हैं वो तमाम के cells को जला दिया जाए या ख़त्म कर दिया. तो radiation therapy is basically used and that may encompasses a single radiation field. It remains a mainstay of the treatment for different types of cancer and they also associated or to use or to decrease the symptoms of the cancer. So treatment or management of the cancer involve its prevention, its screening, proper diagnosis, proper management. After the treatment there is a rehabilitation of the patient, there will be a follow-up care, there will be a palliative care and there will be a terminal care. This is the illustration of the treatment modalities of a cancer in which surgery and radiation and chemotherapy are the mainstay for treatment of the cancer. What are the goals of cancer treatment? Primary goal is to cure the patient and it is a very difficult goal. And what is the curation of the cancer? That we render the patient clinically and pathologically free from disease and the life expectancy should be increased so that the patient quality of life should improve. If cure is not possible, what is the alternative goal? The alternative goal is to prolong the survival along with the good status of the quality of life without any symptoms. यानी उसके अंदर कोई symptoms ना हो कैंसर के और वो good quality of life के साथ उसकी life जो है वो survive हो जाए. If the second goal is not cannot be achieved, then there will be a third goal to reduce the or relieve the symptoms of the cancer. For example, pain. For example, inflammation, swelling, fever, all these symptoms should be properly managed so that the quality of life is improved and we know that the survival is very low. Timing is very important. If the initial level is there, then the tumor can, if caught initially, then there is possible, there is a cure is possible. Local therapy actually damage is there which may cause DNA damage to cancer cell and lead to their cells. What are the mechanism of drugs or anti-cancerous drugs? They are drugs, these are drugs, they are developed to kill the cancer cell. They are DNA damaging, they are RNA damaging, they inhibit the cell growth and divisions and they are anti-metabolites. They can be used as a sole modality for the cure. For example, in case of hematological malignancy, जहाँ पे there is no solid tumors, there is no surgery, or they are so they can also use as a sole agent or as an adjunct to the surgery or radiation to cure the cancer. Furthermore, chemotherapy can also given to those patients which are incurable and in which only symptomatic relief is possible.